Hello, everybody. This is John Perryman talking at you from my underground bunker. Today I'm talking about screencasting. Screencasting, you can just record your screen. You can have yourself in the corner talking to make it more personal. I'll show you how to do that. But my whole thing is I like to do it while I'm teaching, so no out of class work. So it's pretty easy. I use something called Screencastify. You can also use one called Screencast-O-Matic. These are Chrome extensions. And what I do is I go up here, up to my extension. Here's Screencastify. I click on it. I'm like, okay, I want to have I'm just going to do a tab. You can also do your entire desktop. If you have two computers, you choose which desktop you want to use. And you just start recording it. And what happens is my face appears down here in the corner. You can make this box bigger or smaller if you want. And what I'm doing is I just project, sometimes maybe just a blank Google document, maybe a video, whatever platform you're using. And so you talk for a few minutes, and I use Screencastify. There are some limitations. One, only 5 minutes for the free stuff. But I kind of like that because if your video is over 5 minutes, no one's going to watch it. It is really easy to use. All right, and it jives well with YouTube and Classroom. All right, the other one that people use a lot is Screencast-O-Matic. Oh, and this one is good because you can edit your movies or your screencasts that you make. It can be longer. I don't think there's a limit on it, but I do think Screencastify is easier to use, as I will show you. So now I'm done making my screencast, and I just go back up here. I click on it. Tab is being recorded. I'm going to stop it. So now I've made it, and you wait a moment and take a look. This opens automatically, and I can name it. All right. And what's cool about it, while it's rendering, I can save it right to YouTube if I want. I can also just get a link from my drive. And what I like about it is while I'm talking to the kids, I just grab the link. And what I've done is I've created a Google Doc with all of my videos on it. All right, I'm just like, okay. Screencast demo, I highlight it. Control K lets me put in my link that I just copied. Control V, there it is. And now this Google Doc I've shared with the students already. I've had them bookmark it, and everything's in here. And you can see I've made some videos. I think I'm up to 70 videos on this unit. And the only way I can do this is by doing it while I'm talking in class. So the students say, hey, I have a question about this. I say, let me answer that. And I'm going to create a screencast and save it to the thing. This is great. Students have to work. Students have bad internet, whatever. They can leave and look at these demos. It helps them out immensely. Some students don't watch it. Some students swear by these. And these are great. I'm going to have them forever to keep. So I highly recommend using screencasts. It does not add any time to my day. Also, if you take a look, I'm going to go right over here. I'm going to publish it to my awesome YouTube channel because who knows, maybe today I'm going to go viral. And I've created a channel. It's really easy to do. And boom, I just uploaded it, which is great for future reference. And I'm kind of storing them there, and it's great for the world to have. And that's about it. The other thing you can do, which is pretty cool, is you can share it straight to, you can put it right into Google Classroom. Where is it? You can download it. There's a lot of stuff going on. Embed, email, so many things you can do to use this. So I hope that helps. Use these things. They're great. You'll have them for years, and it looks very impressive to everyone else when you've made so many videos. All right, I hope this helps. Thank you.